Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your parental control settings on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Edit Profiles. From the Edit Profile menu, tap on the profile for which you wish to edit the parental controls. Now scroll down from this page and you will find the parental control settings where you can turn on Junior mode if you wish. Underneath this option, you will find Content Rating. Go ahead and tap on this and now you can choose the content rating and the age restriction settings. Just choose your desired setting and then click on the Save button and this will change your settings right away. By turning on Junior mode, you will automatically choose the Rated for Everyone settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your parental controls on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.